Soup acts as an appetizer due to a combination of scientific factors that contribute to its appetizing effects. Let's explore these factors in more detail. Sensory stimulation. Soup engages multiple senses, starting with its enticing aroma. The aromatic compounds released from a flavorful soup can trigger the olfactory receptors, which are directly linked to the brain's appetite centers. Additionally, visually appealing presentation and colors of the soup can enhance the desire to eat. Gustatory perception. Soups offer a wide range of flavors that stimulate the taste buds on the tongue. The taste receptors detect the various tastes present in the soup, including sweet, salty, sour, and umami. These flavors activate neural pathways, signaling the brain to initiate salivation and prepare the digestive system for food intake. Thermal effects. The temperature of soup plays a role in its appetizer effect. When served hot, the warmth stimulates thermoreceptors in the mouth and throat, enhancing the overall sensory experience and intensifying the perception of flavor. The heat also increases blood flow to the digestive system, facilitating better digestion. Nutrient density. Soups often contain a rich assortment of ingredients, including vegetables, proteins, and carbohydrates. This nutrient density provides essential vitamins, minerals, and energy, which can help satisfy hunger and create a feeling of satiety. The presence of these nutrients triggers the body's natural appetite regulation mechanisms. Gastric distension. The liquid nature of soup contributes to gastric distension, which occurs when the stomach walls stretch due to increased volume. The distension activates stretch receptors in the stomach, sending signals to the brain to reduce hunger and initiate feelings of fullness. This helps regulate appetite and prevents overeating during the main course.